from millions of kilometers away. Earth is just a pale blue dot in the dark. No sound, no motion, just a fragile glimmer floating in the cosmic black. But as we get closer, we begin to see clouds drifting, sunlight dancing on oceans. A planet alive, breathing, telling its own story. Among billions of worlds, only this one holds life, that feels, remembers, and dreams. Earth is not just where we live. It's the only place that ever loved us back. Earth did not begin in peace. It was born from collisions. In a swirling disk of dust and gas around a young sun, chunks of rock slammed together. Each impact melted, merged, and grew. The core formed as heavy metals sank. The outer shell cooled slowly, over tens of millions of years of fire and ice. Then, a cataclysm. A Mars-sized object struck the young Earth, launching debris into space. That debris became the moon. But the impact did more. It stabilized Earth's tilt. No longer a chaotic molten ball, Earth began to build the foundation for life. From space, Earth seems calm, a blue sphere at peace. But inside lies a world of energy, violent, deep, never silent. Earth's structure is like a planet within a planet. The inner core, solid, yet blazing hot, made of iron and nickel. The outer core, a churning liquid, generating a magnetic field. Surrounding it is the mantle, thousands of kilometers thick, where heat drives convection, moving the tectonic plates. And finally, the crust, thin as eggshells, where life exists. We live on the thinnest layer. While deep below, Earth is still moving. Every second. Not every planet has an atmosphere, and not every atmosphere protects life. But Earth has both, and more. Its churning core generates a magnetic field, an invisible shield that surrounds the planet, deflecting solar wind and cosmic radiation. Without it, our atmosphere would have been stripped away eons ago. Above, Earth's atmosphere traps warmth, delivers oxygen and water, and contains an ozone layer that blocks UV rays. It is a climate machine, cycling vapor into clouds, clouds into rain, winds into currents of energy. That's why, across the vastness of space, only Earth has seasons, has rain, has breathable air. Life didn't start here by chance. It was protected, from within and without. Water, something we take for granted, remains one of Earth's oldest mysteries. Where did it come from? Was it always here, or delivered by icy asteroids? However it arrived, it poured onto the young Earth, filling the first oceans. In the darkness of deep seas, something miraculous began. From geothermal heat and simple compounds, chemical reactions sparked, forming the first organic molecules. DNA did not yet exist, but life had begun. Over millions of years, these molecules bonded, replicated, and adapted. The first cell was born. It had no eyes, no mind, no sense of being, but it lived. And from that moment, life never stopped. The first cell had no eyes, no mind, but it could copy, adapt, reproduce from one to millions, from single-celled to multicellular collaboration. This was when life began to take shape. Over hundreds of millions of years, life evolved. It tried, failed, tried again. What we call biodiversity today is built on billions of failed experiments. Eyes to see, fins to swim, legs to crawl, wings to fly. Life spread to oceans, to land, to sky. From the brilliance of the Cambrian to the shifting eras of the Phanerozoic, Earth became a grand experiment where every creature was a hypothesis. And from chaos came pattern. The tree of life is written in bones, scales, wings, and thought. And that tree is still growing. Life doesn't just evolve. It gets tested, broken, and reborn. Earth has faced at least 5 mass extinctions. Each time, over 70% of species vanished. Some caused by supervolcanoes, others by climate collapse, and once by a giant asteroid. That moment ended the reign of dinosaurs, but also began the rise of mammals. In chaos, there is opportunity. Extinction is not the end. It's nature's way of reshaping the world. It selects, resets, continues. It's not the strongest that survives, but the one that adapts best. That lesson still holds true today. After billions of years of evolution, a new creature emerged. Not large, not fast, but different. Homo sapiens, humans, didn't just survive. They thought. They told stories. They passed memory through language, symbols, and sound. From stone tools to the first fire, from hunting to farming, from caves to the first communities. And then cities, writing, religion, art, science. No other species built pyramids. No other species looked at the stars and asked, "Who am I? Where did I come from?" Humans didn't just live. They remembered. They dreamed. And they created. Humans have conquered nature, but we've also wounded it. We crossed oceans, built cities, mined mountains, redirected rivers, split the atom. In just a few centuries, we've reshaped the planet. Today, Earth's atmosphere carries our fingerprints: carbon, methane, greenhouse gases trapping the sun's heat. Forests disappear, ice melts, sea levels rise. Millions of species are losing their homes. Some we never even knew existed. But it's not just nature that's changing. We are changing too. Anxious, disconnected, uncertain. We now live in the Anthropocene, the human epoch. A time when humanity is the most powerful force affecting Earth. The question is no longer what we've done, but what will we do next? Earth still spins, but its future is uncertain. We are entering a decisive century. If temperatures keep rising, the seas will flood. Coastal cities may vanish. If the ice all melts, we'll redraw the map of the world. Artificial intelligence is evolving faster than human intelligence. It could save the planet or control it. Humans may leave Earth, colonize Mars, travel between stars. But wherever we go, we bring one thing: responsibility. And one day, far in the future, the sun will become a red giant. It will consume the inner planets, including Earth. Nothing lasts forever. But the miracle is, we existed, and we knew it. Earth is not the biggest, not the brightest, not the richest, but perhaps the only one. Among billions of stars, millions of planets, we've found no other place with life like this. From cosmic dust came forests, oceans, and creatures that dream. From lifeless matter came poetry, music, love, and mind. Not just life, but life aware of itself. We call it home. Earth, the only place where every memory, every human, every truth has ever existed. Maybe there are other worlds out there. But until we find them, let's protect this one as if it's the only miracle.